My guests and I love the services of Khun Benz and Khun Kit during the entire trip. From explaining important information of the places we visited to making sure we are comfortable. Kob Khun Mok Nakrup. This is an unbelievable tour. Everything you get to see is amazing. The canoe is brilliant and the people are all amazing and very friendly. Our tour guide MJ was unbelievably good. He was extremely knowledgeable, very friendly and entertaining. And is also a very good photographer. He took some amazing photos for us to have amazing memories. Would highly recommend this tour and MJ as your tour guide. I'm very satisfied with this trip. The driver picked up from my hotel in the morning. The tour guide MJ was very friendly and kept introducing Thai festivals on the way, which benefited me a lot. The tour guide MJ also helped everyone take pictures at every scenic spot. He is also a very professional photographer, and the photos he took are very beautiful. I lived this tour of the James Bong Island. To start off, the temple was okay. Not as good as people make it seem, and yes, it is in a nice size cave. The next part was feeding monkeys at the local stores there by the temple. That was perfect though, fonts show you weakness or they will rob you blind. The monkeys were grabbing people's bags and running for the trees. Next was canoeing down a river after going through low tide areas into open rocks. They were very beautiful sights to see, not to mention the weather was perfect. After that was on to lunch in a small island village full of Malaysians, all locally owned and operated by their families. With the final spot being James Bond Island. I highly recommend. Maybe you might like the temple more than myself. Overall, the trip was an excellent experience. My tour guide Saul, I believe was how you spell it, was extremely nice and helpful. A lovely organized trip. The lagoons were fascinating. The food was average and it would have been nice to spend a longer time on the Stilt Island and explore. May have a shorter time for food instead? Our guide Kararat was fantastic. James Bond Island was great, but the stall vendors are very persistent and my friend did get scammed, so be careful. The Monkey Buddha Cave was mind-blowing. This trip was definitely worth the cost. This trip has been an amazing experience. The canoeing experience was mind-blowing. The guide Lido was a lovely, cheerful lady with good knowledge of the places. Lunch served was delicious too. It's very nice trip with a very kind tour guide Kun Chan. He is take care of us. James Bond Island are pretty beautiful, also Panyee Island. Trip guru never disappointed us, smile. Such beautiful experience. Pai was amazing. She definitely explained everything perfectly. We had a blast hanging out with her and the people on board. Thank you. Viva Mexico!